Marcus and Michelle are very happy, and at that time Marcus and Michelle are in Spain, and behind them is a very big church, and this church is 140 years old. And Michelle is very excited to come to Spain, and they have a lot of stuff to do. And Michelle and Marcus are walking around outside the church, and Marcus is excited to see the church from the inside. Then Michelle and Marcus go inside the church, and the church is very pretty from the inside, and Michelle finds the church very beautiful from the inside. And then Marcus and Michelle come back out of the church and are very happy. Then Marcus and Michelle have come to watch soccer, and the stadium is full of people, and Marcus and Michelle are having a lot of fun. And then Marcus and Michelle come back from Spain after a 10-hour flight, and the bad news is that during the trip two of Marcus' suitcases are lost, and Marcus is very sorry for the suitcase, and Marcus has not even played any pranks with Michelle, and now Marcus thinks about playing some pranks with Michelle. And then Marcus comes inside the house, and Marcus thinks that maybe after this prank Michelle will break up with me, and according to Marcus, Michelle is sleeping in the room. And then Marcus picks up scissors, and Marcus sneaks towards Michelle's room, and Marcus secretly wants to play some pranks with Michelle, and Marcus sneaks into Michelle's room. And then Marcus very carefully starts cutting Michelle's hair with scissors, but then Michelle wakes up, and Michelle is surprised why Marcus is filming. And Michelle also sees scissors in Marcus' hand, and Michelle starts to suspect that Marcus cut my hair, and while Marcus is acting very innocent in front of Michelle, but Michelle knows that Marcus has cut my hair from the bottom, and Michelle gets serious, and Michelle asks Marcus the reason for cutting my hair, and Michelle is not happy with this act of Marcus. And Michelle also gets to see the cut hair on the bed, and Michelle does not like it at all. Marcus joke, and Michelle tells Marcus to leave the room. And then finally Marcus comes back out of the room, and Marcus also becomes serious, and Marcus did not expect to see such an angry reaction from Michelle. And Marcus admits his mistake that he should not have done this prank on Michelle, and then Marcus comes back inside the house to apologize to Michelle. And Marcus apologizes to Michelle for his mistake, and Marcus tells Michelle that it was all done as a prank, and Marcus has cut off Michelle's fake